Hello everyone, I am Anuja Shrivastava and today I am just going to make the video with the different pattern. I hope you like this video. In this video, my voice is completely audible to you but my face is not visible to you. Only I am just going to explain you. Okay? Now, all the patterns are same and let us start the next chapter of class 7th physics, and the name of this chapter is electricity and magnetism. Okay, in which you are going to study about the electricity as well as about the magnetism. So because in class 7th you were studied about the magnets, that's why I am just going to start with the topic magnets. Okay, so everyone is knowing, and it is the students are knowing from the lower classes also, that what are magnets. So magnets are the substance, or magnets are the materials. They are the materials. What they are doing, they attracts the substances which are made up of iron, nickel, cobalt. ओके, दैट मीन्स मैग्नेट्स वो मटेरियल्स होते हैं जो आयरन, निकल और कोबाल्ट से के मटेरियल्स को अपनी ओर अट्रैक्ट करते हैं. सो दैट मीन्स कि हाउ दीज मटेरियल्स आर अट्रैक्टेड टूवर्ड्स द थिंग्स, हाउ दैट मैग्नेट अट्रैक्ट दीज थिंग, इनको कैसे अट्रैक्ट करता है. सो देयर इज वन फोर्स, देयर इज वन इनविजिबल फोर्स. Invisible force works which attract these materials toward the magnet, and this invisible force is known as the magnetism and magnetic force. That means in simple word you can say, what is magnetism? So magnetism, it is an invisible force which attracts the materials made up of iron, cobalt and nickel. Okay, now one important topic is there, that is a magnetic declination. So what is magnetic declination? So you were also studied this topic in class 6 also. That means the geographic poles and the magnetic poles are differ. Okay, suppose this is the geographic pole. Okay, this is the geographic north pole. Okay, this is geographic north pole which I have written in the short, and here we are just going to put a magnetic needle, and you all are knowing when the magnetic needle is put, it always rests at the which direction? At the north and south direction. That means this one is the magnetic north. Okay. Now, so there is one angle formed between these two poles. That means geographic north pole और magnetic north के बीच में एक angle formed होता है, and that angle is denoted by the theta. Okay, and this angle is known as the magnetic declination. Okay, now let us see the other topics. That means the test for the magnets. Now how we can test a magnet? So it is very easy to test for the magnets, because when magnets are showing the different types of property. First property is that the poles. What are the poles? That means if this one is the magnet, okay, so these corners are known as the pole, and magnetic power is maximum at pole. किसी भी मैग्नेट की जो मैग्नेटिक पावर होती है वो क्या होती है? पोल्स पे मैक्सिमम होती है, और इसको आप बहुत इजीली घर पे कर सकते हैं. इफ़ यू आर हैविंग मैग्नेट, इफ़ यू आर हैविंग दिस बार मैग्नेट, ऐसा मैग्नेट है आपके पास, to take some iron filling, बहुत सारी iron की fillings को ले लीजिए and put it into that iron filling, that magnet. So maximum iron fillings is going to stuck at the corner. That means the poles having the maximum magnetism. Now second is the test is the attraction and repulsion. What is attraction and repulsion? Suppose this is the magnet who is having the two pole, south and north. Now if we are taking another bar magnet towards this magnet, if we are taking other bar magnet here whose south pole is here and north pole is here, so same pole क्या करेंगे? Repel each other. सेम पोल जो हैं दे विल रिपेल. और अगर हम यहाँ पर नॉर्थ रखेंगे, यहाँ पर साउथ रखेंगे, तो अपोजिट पोल अट्रैक्ट ईच अदर. अपोजिट पोल क्या करेंगे? एक दूसरे के टुवर्ड्स अट्रैक्शन शो करेंगे. सो दिस इज द शोर्ट टेस्ट फॉर द मैग्नेटिज्म. वन मोर टेस्ट इज देयर दैट इफ वी आर गोइंग टू हैंग द मैग्नेट, so it always rest, क्या करेगा? It rest at north and south direction. So these are some tests which are related with the magnets. That means in test के through you can say that the particular substance is magnet or it is not magnets. Okay. Now the next term over here, that is the electromagnetism. So what is electromagnetism? That means कहीं ना कहीं इसमें मैग्नेटिज्म और इलेक्ट्रो, दीज टू वर्ड्स आर अटैच्ड. सो इसका कहीं ना कहीं मैग्नेटिक फील्ड और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी दोनों से ही रिलेशन होगा. सो हम नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज में कह सकते हैं इट इज़ अ ब्रांच ऑफ फिजिक्स. ये फिजिक्स की वो ब्रांच है दैट डील्स विद द मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. दैट मीन्स कि जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के थ्रू जो मैग्नेटिज्म डेवलप होती है, it deals with that branch of physics. So in simple language I can say, I am going to write the definition. It is the branch of physics that deals with the किसके थ्रू? That deals with the magnetic effect. It is branch of physics that deals with the magnetic effect of इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. दैट मीन्स जो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट होती है उसके मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट से ये डील करता है. ओके. नाउ रिलेटेड टू दिस वन मोर tiny topic is there which you also studied in class 6, but still I am going to tell you that topic, and the name of that topic is electromagnet. Now what is electromagnet? It is completely related with the electricity. Suppose one iron nail is here. This is the iron nail. Okay. And that means आप इन सिंपल वर्ड में आप इसको कह सकते हैं कि किसी भी अगर सॉफ्ट आयरन पीस को, सॉफ्ट आयरन बार को अगर हम क्या करते हैं किसी वुड तार के थ्रू उसको कंप्लीटली कवर कर देते हैं, एट दैट वायर्स मस्ट बी द कॉपर विच कंडक्ट द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. ठीक है. उसके बाद उसको हम किसी बैटरी से जोड़ देते हैं जिसके थ्रू हम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास करते हैं. सो दिस थिंग ऑल्सो बिहेव्स लाइक अ मैग्नेट. दैट मीन्स सपोज this is the coiling, I am just doing the coiling of the wires. Okay. Now this I am just going to attach with the battery. Okay, if it is going to join with each other, so it also, that means this iron nail, ये जो iron की nail है, it also behaves like a magnet, or it behaves like a magnet till the electricity is provided. जब तक इसको electricity provide होगी तब तक ये मैग्नेट की तरह बिहेव करेगा. एज द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी स्टॉप्स पासेस द आयरन नेल स्टॉप्स द मैग्नेटिक बिहेवियर. ओके, सो दीज टाइप्स आर यूज इन द इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर्स. जैसे जो फैंस होते हैं, इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर्स होते हैं. देन आफ्टर आपके घर में बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ होता होगा मिक्सर ग्राइंडर, उन सारी जगहों पे इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट यूज़ होते हैं. आपकी घर की कॉल बेल में यूज़ होते हैं. ओके, दैट मीन्स दिस इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट part. And this electromagnet, you can say it is a temporary magnet, because still the electricity is provided, till they are going to behave as a electric magnet. Okay, so this is all about the introductory part of this chapter. Rest of the topic I will discuss in the next video. Till then, bye bye, thank you.